In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase music time on Snapchat. So this should be a quick and easy process. So the first thing, as you can see, how can you make your music longer on Snapchat? Users will be able to add music to their snap from maximum of 10 seconds, but fans can extend this to 60 seconds by creating a video instead. As you can see, just create a video. Depending on your device settings and operating system, you will be also able to edit audio length in your Snapchat account settings too. And there is also another thing, there is actually a way around it. If you remix the snap and put the new screen as close to the edge as you can, record it, then boom, a pic with more than 10 seconds of the song of your choice. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.